Hey peeps, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to deal with some simplification of algebraic expressions, particularly when there is division involved. Now let's have a look at what they've given us. They've given us an expression that has a binomial in the numerator and a monomial in the denominator. What's useful is because we've got a monomial in the denominator, it means we're able to simplify the numerator because it means they've both got the same denominator. Now that is useful in this case specifically because we can see that we've got the same variables for both of the terms in the top, which means we can simplify them because they are like terms. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to simplify the numerator, and that is simply going 15 plus 9, which is going to be 24, and then obviously our variable remains the same. Okay, so x squared y cubed, and that is still over our 8x squared y cubed. Alright, now we need to do our division, and we're going to do our sign first, and luckily we've got a plus in the top and the bottom, so that's going to remain plus. Then we move on to our numbers. So 24 divided by 8, we know 8 goes into 24 3 times. Then we've got x squared over x squared, and those two cancel out completely. And then we've got y cubed over y cubed, and we know those two cancel out completely. So in this instance, our answer must be 3, and that will get you the full marks for this question. Really good job. Very special thank you to our sponsors for making this video possible. Remember to check out our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, send us the question, and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until the next time, stay epic.